Okay, so nag-grab bike tayo guys papunta dito sa International Airport. Tapos may specific lang na part na bababaan. Tapos dapat dito kayo pumunta. Kasi may local, domestic, tsaka international airport din. So magkaiba yata. Magkaiba. Yan, Terminal International. Okay. Ngayon alam ko na kung paano sa grab bike doon ang antayan. Kasi dito tayo na-stop noong pagdating natin. Anyway, ganun talaga. Pagkarating sa boarding gate, since marami pa namang time at hindi pa boarding, so nag-ikot-ikot muna ako guys dito sa part na to ng Bali Airport at naghanap ako ng mga pwede pa nating mabili para makonsume natin yung remaining pera natin, Indonesian rupiah natin. So far yan, naghanap ako ng tinapay. So review natin guys yung ating magiging Scoot experience. Bali we're flying via Fly Scoot. Tapos may layover na 12 hours sa Singapore. Ang laki pala na yun. 40C. Tatluhan. 40C. Tayo sa port. So there you go guys. So okay naman so far ang experience natin dito sa Scoot. And yan, nag-aantay na lang tayo na matapos ang boarding. Then after this, depart na tayo. And just to share with you guys, bale, connecting flight tong kinuha ko. So, ang flight ko ngayon is around 10 a.m. And then sa side trip or magkakaroon po tayo ng layover sa Singapore for 8 hours. So, pinili ko talaga to para makabalik ako sa Singapore for just a couple of hours just to see Merlion again and also yung sands. Ano tawag doon? Basta yun na yun. Okay. There you go guys. After more than 2 hours, so malapit na tayong mag-touchdown Singapore. So i-share ko na lang muna yung flight details natin. So bale, umalis tayo ng Bali ng 10:55. So it's January 8, so 10:55. Tapos expected time of arrival sa Singapore ay 1:35. Then, gaya ng nasabi ko, layover ako dito sa Singapore. Tapos, ang sunod nating flight, yung pinaka-connecting natin is mamaya pang 1:45 a.m. So, kinabukasan na siya, January 9. Tapos, ang dating ko ng Pinas ay around 5:30 a.m. Alright, so welcome Singapore, touchdown Singapore after almost 10 years.
Portable electronic devices are not allowed during taxi. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt signs are turned off and advised by the crew. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartment as items may have moved in landing and could fall out. Please check that you have not...
Okay, it was a good experience naman. Scoot. Welcome to Singapore. Singapore. So we're back na here sa Changi Airport after 8 hours. So naglibot-libot lang po ako sa Merlion pero dun lang sa area na yon. So pwede nyo check yung video natin for that. So for dinner, trinay ko tong Singaporean laksa. So as usual, kailangan nating spend yung remaining Singaporean dollar natin bago tayo mag-boarding. And also I bought this. Masarap tong siopaw na to. Alright, so yan, take off na tayo. Again, ito na po yung second part ng connecting flight. So we're flying from Changi Airport, Singapore, back to Manila. Alright, since malapit-lapit na rin tayong mag-land, so start na natin yung review natin dito sa Scoot Airlines. Actually, Fly Scoot din yung nakalagay dun sa pinaka-website niya. Just to share a short story guys, medyo hesitant ako at first kasi nung time na binuko yung Bali ko, wala pa akong pabalik ng Pinas. Tapos nag-antay pa ako ng ilang months bago ako mag-book kasi nga naghanap ako ng pinakamura. And luckily, I found Scoot. Tapos meron pa siyang, of course, layover sa Singapore. So it's a win-win situation for me. Yun nga lang, hindi na siya kasing mura nung papunta ko sa Bali. Medyo pricey siya pero still, it's cheaper compared sa iba pang airlines. Scoot is a low-cost airline na naka-base sa Singapore. So siguro naman Singapore siya. So for sure okay yung quality. When it comes dun sa flight mismo, hindi siya nalalayo sa Cebu Pacific kasi number 1, color yellow din siya. Number 2, yung setup sa loob, yung mga seats and everything is parang Cebu Pacific lang din. And also, let's not forget na on time siya. Hindi na delay ang flight ko. I'm so thankful din guys na hindi sila nag-check ng baggage kasi kung hindi baka hindi nila tanggapin yung bag ko kasi for sure that's more than 7 kilograms. So will I fly again with Scoot? The answer is it's a yes. Ang bala ko nga, just in case kapag meron pa uli akong punta ng ibang countries at merong Scoot, may Fly Scoot at merong layover again, I will choose the 24 hours na layover para mas matagal akong makapag-stay sa Singapore. And welcome back home to me. Welcome to the Philippines after 8 days of traveling to Bali, Indonesia, and also 8 hours in Singapore. Thank you, Lord, for that wonderful experience and for keeping me safe. Matagal ko na tagang pinaplano pumunta ng Bali, Indonesia. Tapos ito, kung makikita nyo, yan, may mga design na dito sa NAIA, yung pabalik after nyo mag-take off, after nyo pumasok ulit sa arrival.